Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 3 challenges for the auto repair shop business, along with the 3 secrets to run an automotive shop successfully in 2021. Through these challenges and the secrets, you will have a clear idea how a successful repair shop looks like. So let's dive into the challenge 1, and that is the advanced technology complexity. The modern cars are intended to be more advanced technology, which will increase the repairing cost because it will require more labor hours with the higher skills. Example, the new technology such as the Advanced Driver Assistance System, so-called the ADAS, requires the special equipment and training when the service is needed. This creates the additional maintenance costs and the longer labor hours for the repair job. One more example, the electronics brake system, which is widely utilized on the high-end vehicles, also requires the intensive training for the specific installation process. So you can imagine this new technology will also increase the demands of the advanced components for these vehicles, such like the radar, the components, and the sensors for the ADAS system. And the trend is to include the advanced technology along with the expensive components as a standard equipment for the wider range of the popular models. The difficulties for the old history repair shop is they fail out of the up-to-date training to get prepared for these newer technology repair jobs. And this put the small shops in an awkward situation to run their business poorly, as they can only take the job to work on the older vehicles, which are usually owned by the less income consumers, versus to the aggressive repair shop owners. They always maintain a momentum by training themselves to the up-to-date technology for the 4 to 7 years old vehicles repairing demands. And these 4 to 7 year old vehicles in fact are most profitable category. So you can see through it why the small shops keep small and the big shops keep growing big. Alright, the second challenge is the labor shortage. Many shop owners complain about the difficulty to find a good, knowledgeable, and motivated technician. According to the Automotive Research Report, the second big challenge for the repair shop is to find a motivated and knowledgeable technician. I don't want to occupy your time to talk about why you will have the labor shortage, as I know you are more experienced than me. What I want to share here is how we do in our business now to prevent the human resource shortage problem. My suggestion here is to spend more time on the hands-on training and build up your potential team with the interns. The hands-on training is proved the most effective way to train your new income staff. By setting the training process, you are also setting the clear step-by-step details to standardize your working process for other teammates. You can convey the culture, the mission, and the knowledge to your newbie during the training. Guide them with your shop's mission and purpose, and teach them with the knowledge from the basic skills to the advanced. In my case, we already launched our intern project for more than 2 years. Each term, we will have 2 to 3 interns to join us in the daily errands. During the training term, we teach them the proper attitude, provide them the best education, and make sure they are proficient in what we teach. This intern project indeed solved my human resource problem a lot. The thing is, the more time you spend on the hands-on training, the less mistakes your new technician will make. Another benefit of training your intern team is that you are also creating a full-time job opportunity for your future. If the intern is qualified and he is also interested in this industry, just turn him into a full-time staff. The secret weapon to make your repair shop outstanding is not just yourself, but it is a professional and a good connect team. Alright, the next challenge is the funds for advertising. From the chart, you can see nearly 30% repair shops have the problem about running the advertising. Very common issue when talking about the repair shop advertising is not the budget itself, but the shop owner's mindset, which is wrong to consider about the advertising as an expense, but not an investment. In the past, the good skilled technicians run their shops with their repairing expertise. The market is not that competitive at that time, and it's rather simple. You fix the car problem, you fulfill the car owner's demands. The car owner is happy, and so is your pocket. With the time goes by, things seem more complicated now. Customers now understand to ask more and have higher standards to require their repair shops. Also, there are more shops in the market for customers' option now. So, I sincerely to invite you to check our before videos. We already talked about the reasons why the social media marketing can benefit your repair shops, in which we talk about the importance of the social media marketing. Or you can also check these videos to get more marketing ideas and strategies to increase your sustainable car count in 2021. In fact, more and more shop owners understand the importance of running the marketing campaigns, which can help them to attract a good number of good customers. The right planning and execution can help your shop stand out from the competitors and earn the customers' loyalty. So, our suggestion is to start your marketing trial as early as possible. Take the action to try the marketing method we mentioned in our videos, which is not only practical, but also not cost you a dime. As long as you are willing to try the marketing methods, there are a lot of customers waiting out there to be attracted to you. Alright, let me quickly recap today's 3 secrets to run a repair shop business successfully. Number 1, step up today's skill with the advanced technology. Number 2, spend time on hands-on training and build your intern team. Number 3, do the marketing now. The auto repair shop industry can be exhausting, especially when you figure it out there is no profit left after the monthly settlement. Knowing how to run your repair shop business successfully doesn't come easily. From setting up the business plan, managing the daily errands, and squeezing your brand for more marketing ways to attract more customers into your shops. We know how busy your daily work is like, and that's the purpose I create this channel, and that is to become the best partner for the repair shop to solve their marketing headache. You can check out before videos in which we talk about many juicy tips and tricks to do the marketing in the auto repairing industry. I'm confident that this practical advice and handy hacks can help you to keep your business in the first lane. So my friends, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell, because in my next video, I am going to talk about the ways to make the extra money for your new repair shops during the slow time, especially if you are the mechanics who are planning to start your new business. You must not miss this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I wish you all the best with your life, your family, and your business. And I will see you very soon next time. Adios!